Hello there! Did all this got your attention? Good! Cause I am Carly and I am about to show you some more realistic but equally eye-catching footage. I am in no way any silly influencer or YouTuber. I'm just a simple person who from time to time gets up from this gaming chair and travels to places. Let me show you where I've been this time. Well, we have spotted Billie Eilish in the wild in this interesting store. Of course, as always, I need to document the wild VLC logos because that's what we like here. Of course, I know the lighting is probably not good, but doesn't matter. So yeah, I am in LA now. It's me, Carly, and I don't know what to say. For now, I am just walking and stuff, and yeah, I am near the Walt Disney concert hall and stuff. Of course, we are not going to go in there, just, you know, to see. But to be honest, I like the way LA look. I don't really know in what exact part I am, but nothing. So yeah, I don't know how exactly I want to record all that stuff. I think I will be just walking around and then choosing whatever footage is usable. But yeah, I hope it will be enjoyable. Yeah, I kind of wanted to make this whole thing as like all of this our favorite, you know, Discovery Channel or other channel type of programs with like food and cooking and traveling. I used to work this stuff so much, but yeah, I kind of try to maybe do something like that but with a homemade feel, but whatever. I don't know, I'm just looking around. So yeah, I hope you all can hear me because in some of the moments it's too loud, but okay, doesn't matter. But yeah, oh, I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all want something from Subway or wherever? Oh my god, Persona. But yeah, I really like how the sky looks. And to be honest, it's quite a difference between my European, how is it called? Oxygen and other stuff, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, signing out for now. Probably all of the footage that I will be recording will be mega chaotic, so just have it in mind that I will be just randomly turning on my camera and be like, ooh, spotted wild VLC logo or other stuff. But yeah, and to be honest, I think it's just my autistic thing, but I love the signs in here. Like, they look amazing to me. Like the shade of orange and stuff. I don't know. They just look nice. Just like my small thoughts, so signing off again. Well, so yeah. So, welcome back. It's me. I mean, more like welcome back from me, because I was just trying to record stuff. Now I am in Beverly Hills and whatnot, seen Rodeo Drive and other funny stuff. Also, the funny thing is that this building I am next to, it's a restroom. Lol. But yeah, of course I don't need it. But anyways, I don't really know what to say. It's like hard to like cooperate with my group because they are talking too much and I don't really care what they talk about. But yeah, now I am alone for a few seconds and I'm enjoying myself. Nice street and whatnot. But yeah, I think that Mora will add some kind of voiceover. But anyways, I will be going to eat something now. Hopefully I will get some footage, or I will just slap a photo of whatever I eat. So it's going to be fine, I think. But yeah, I hope that I will get better with recording stuff soon, because for now I just feel kinda overwhelmed with anything I see, and like, to be honest, I'm just going to say. So yeah, let me just say that I never had any expectations about America and whatnot. I never been like, yeah, it's going to be like, you know, like in the movies and whatever. But I don't think that. I'm just only sightseeing for now, but I'm still planning to go there. And like, I also hope that I will be able to get to Texas, but for now we got Los Angeles.